डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे चैप्टर 15 स्टैटिस्टिक्स। फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज डेटा? द वर्ड डेटा मीन्स इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन इन न्यूमेरिकल फिगर। जो हमें इंफॉर्मेशंस न्यूमेरिकल फिगर के रूप में दे उसे हम डेटा कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज थ्री मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी, नेमली mean, median, and mode. First, some formula for mean. Mean is sum of observations by number of observations. Also, if x1, x2, x3 and xn are n observations with respective frequencies f1, f2, f3, fn, then the mean is given by mean is denoted by x bar. The formula of mean is f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus fn xn by f1 plus f2 fn, or mean is summation fi xi I tends to 1 to n divided by summation of fi. So there is two formula for mean. First one is sum of observation by number of observation. Second is summation of fi xi by summation of fi. The next is median. The median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of the middlemost observation in the data. Method for finding median. First, arrange the data in increasing or decreasing order of magnitudes. Let the total number of observations be n. सबसे पहले मीडियन के लिए हम जो भी गिवन डेटा होंगे उसे हम इंक्रीजिंग या डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में सेट करेंगे. सपोज टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन बी एन. Case 1, if n is odd, then median is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th. n plus 1 is n plus 1 by 2 nth टर्म्स. जब हमारा n ऑड हो तो हम मीडियन जो है वो वैल्यू ऑफ n प्लस 1 बाई th टर्म्स. Case 2, if n is even, then median is mean of n by 2 terms and n by 2 plus 1th observations. So basically, two way for finding median. First, if n is odd, then median is n by 2th term, and case 2, if n is even, then median is mean of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Next, frequency of data or observation. Frequency means the number of times an observations occurs in is called its frequency. फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ डाटा जो है वो किसी भी ऑब्जर्वेशंस के नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स अपीयरेंस को फ्रीक्वेंसी कहते हैं. इफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस आर 2 2 2 3 1 2 2 5 6 and 2, clearly we see that 2 is appearing 7 times. 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4, 5th, 6th and 7. So 2 is comes 7 times. So frequency of 2 is 7. Frequency of 1, since 1 appears only 1 times, so frequency of 1 is 1. Next, frequency of 5. Frequency of 5 is 1 because 5 is appears only 1 times. Again, frequency of 6 is also 1 because 6 is appears is only 1 times in given observation. Next, mod of ungrouped data. Mod for an individual data, mod is the value of the variable means observations which occurs most frequently. That is, mod is the value of the observations having the maximum frequency. Mod is basically value of the observations which having maximum frequency. If this given data, the frequency of 2 is 7, which is clearly is the most. So the mod is, in this case mod is 2 because 2 having most frequency, that is 7. So next, empirical relationship between the three measures of central tendency. Also, this is also known as relationship between mean, median and mod. The formula is 3 median is equal to mod plus 2 mean, or mod is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Next is range. Range of a series is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. Question 1. The runs scored by 11 members of a cricket team are 15, 26, 43, 13, 31, 50, 20, 0, 27, 56 and 34. Find the median. First, arrange in ascending order or descending order. Here we choose ascending order. We get 0, 13, 15, 20, 27, 29 and last one is 56. Here we see that number of terms, that is 11, which is odd, so median is median score or median is value of 1 by 2 n plus 1th term. So here is n is 11, so we get 1 by 2 n plus, that is 11 plus 1th term. We get value of 6th term. In 6th term, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. We get in 6th term is 29. So the median score is 29. Again, example 2, the weight of 10 students are given this. Find the median weight. The number of student is 10, which is even number. So first arrange in this In ascending order, we get n is 10, which is even. So median weight is simple. We can say mean or average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term. So n is 10. So 10 by 12th and 10 by 2 plus 1th term. That is mean or average of 5th and 6th term. In this series, we get 5th term, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. 5th term is 40 and 6th term is 44. So their average is 1 by 2, 40 plus 44, that is 42. Hence the median is 42.